women are more likely to perceive a partner's face as more attractive when their ovulation cycle is at its peak, highlighting an intriguing connection between fertility and attraction. Research has shown that women have a higher percentage of gray matter in their brain's areas associated with emotions, which may contribute to their greater emotional intelligence. Contrary to popular belief, studies suggest that the female brain is neurologically wired to process sexual stimuli in a less visual and more emotional manner compared to their male counterparts, leading to differing sexual responses. Additionally, other factors like scent and voice can also play significant roles in women's sexual attraction. Psychologically, women are more adept at detecting subtleties in social interactions, a skill that's been linked to evolutionary needs for nurturing and community bonding. The cuddle hormone, oxytocin, not only plays a significant role in childbirth and maternal bonding, but also influences women's bonding with sexual partners, which can lead to stronger emotional connections and enhance relationship intimacy. This hormone's effects can even be enhanced by shared intimate gestures like hugging and touching. The phenomenon known as mate copying suggests that women are often more attracted to men who are already in relationships, possibly due to perceived higher mate quality, judging from his partner's choice. Studies indicate that women use both hemispheres of their brains more extensively during cognitive tasks compared to men, who are more likely to engage just one side, possibly leading to differences in verbal communication and emotional expression. A fascinating study found that women can subconsciously detect genetic compatibility through their partner's scent, which could unconsciously influence attraction levels and mate selection over time. Moreover, this process may explain why women often choose partners whose immune system genes differ significantly from their own, potentially leading to healthier offspring. In terms of psychological resilience, women tend to show greater levels of emotional recovery after traumatic experiences, a trait that may be connected to their social networks and communal constructions. Research has uncovered that the hormones related to women's menstrual cycles can affect preferences in male facial features, fluctuating between more feminine and more masculine faces depending on the cycle phase. This cycle-dependent shift highlights the complex interplay between biology and attraction, influencing desirability and mate choice. The sexual afterglow experienced by women can last up to 48 hours after intercourse, which is thought to foster long-term bonding and relationship satisfaction with their partners. Women often have a more acute sense of smell, especially during ovulation, which can enhance their perception of pheromones, potentially influencing mate selection decisions. Studies suggest that women may subconsciously alter their body language, such as increasing eye contact or using more expressive hand gestures when interacting with someone they deem attractive. Additionally, these nonverbal cues are often more nuanced and socially coded than in men, reflecting deep-rooted evolutionary strategies. Women are generally better at detecting emotional cues from others, a skill that's believed to have evolved to enhance social cohesiveness and nurturing roles within communities. The phenomenon where women's sexual fantasies are often more narrative-driven and emotionally elaborate than men's is supported by psychological research, highlighting differences in imagined scenarios and emotional engagement. Surprisingly, these fantasies might sometimes include taboo subjects, which psychologists believe are a way to explore boundaries within the safety of their minds. Women will initiate sex if you have created a safe and desirable environment that encourages mutual consent and desire for intimacy. If you've just recently paid them. Both are equally fine.